good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever I may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. We are continuing on parametric equations of a line into space, and now we are going to go to the practice questions right behind me here. In the prior videos we did question 1 and question 2. Now here we are doing question 3. But this video is all about question 3, which reads: determine if each point P is on the line represented by this vector equation there. Then we have A, point P is negative 1, 11, B, point P is 9, negative 11, C is also point P, sorry, I didn't write it properly. C is also point P, negative 9, 21. First of all, the first thing that we do is write the vector equation. Xy is equal to 3, 1 plus a t multiplied by the direction vector negative 2, 5. So that is what we call a vector equation, and then these are coordinates. These are points with different coordinates, rather. Let's start with A. Okay, so A has P negative 1, 11. So in place of x, y here on the side of the vector equation, we'll say negative 1 representing the x component, 11 the y component. Alright, then we'll say is equal to, we have 3, 1, just like that. So we just copy this the way it is here, but we just replace this side with the point negative 1, 11. So plus t negative 2, 5, just like that. And then we get the top row like that, the bottom row like that. We say negative 1 is equal to 3 plus, sorry for that, 3. And then we have positive t multiplied by negative 2 is minus 2t. 11 is equal to 1 plus positive t multiplied by positive 5 is 5t. Just like that. Then when you reach this point, you have two equations. We need to find the values of t. The value of t here and the value of t there. Alright, so we just solve. This would be, if we take the negative 2 this side and we take the 1 that side, it would be 2t is equal to 3 plus 1. 2t is equal to 4. We divide by 2. We divide by 2. 2 can go into itself 1. 2 can go into itself 1. 2 can go into itself 1. 2 can go into 4. 2. T is equal to 2 at this end. And then here, we'll say we take the 1 this other side. It would be 11 minus 1 is equal to 5t. 10 is equal to 5t. You divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 can go into itself 1, can go into itself 1. 5 can go into itself 1 into 10, 2. And then we'll say t is equal to 2. You see that this equation gave us t is equal to 2. This equation gave us t is equal to 2. Then to conclude, you say therefore, or you say because, therefore because values of t are equal, the point negative 1, 11 is on the line. I won't write that so that I can just save time. Let's go to B. B is 9, negative 11 is equal to, the way it's looking, negative 2, 5, just like that. We get the top row. 9 is equal to 3. T times negative 2 minus 2t. Negative 11 is equal to 1 plus 5t. And then at this point in time, we are going to just take the 3 this other side. 9 minus 3 is equal to negative 2t. 9 minus 3 is positive 6. is equal to negative 2t. Divide by negative 2 by negative 2. Negative 2 into itself 1. Negative 2 into itself 1. Negative 2 into itself 1. Negative 2 into 6 is negative 3, just like that. So it means t is equal to negative 3. And then here we are going to take the 1 that side of the equation, and we are going to have negative 11 minus 1 is equal to 5t. Negative 12 is equal to 5t. Then divide by 5, divide by 5. This will give you 1. 5 can go into itself 1. 5 can go into itself 1. T is equal to negative 12 over 5, comma, t is equal to 5 can go into that twice, negative, so it is negative 2, remainder 2 over 5. That's the final answer. So here we have negative 3, there we have negative 2 and 2/5, or negative 2 and remainder 2 over 5, like that. So it's a final answer for this particular question. To conclude, you would say, so you write this as a statement. Therefore, because values of t are not equal, the point P 9, negative 11 is not on the line. The next question is negative 9, 21. So this point, they're asking if this point is on this line, is equal to 3, 1, plus a t, you multiply by negative 2, 5. Then we get the top row, negative 9 is equal to 3, t multiplied by negative 2, minus 2t, 21 is equal to 1, t multiplied by 5 is plus 5t. Then here, what you do is you just group the like terms, or group the like terms together. So the 9 will go that side, then the 2 will go that side. We're going to have 2t is equal to 3 plus 9. 2t is equal to, in this particular case, 12. Divide by 2, divide by 2. T is equal to 6. Like that. 2 can go into 12 6 times. And then we're going to have 21 minus 1 is equal to 5t. Then 20 is equal to 5t divided by 5 divided by 5. 5 can go into itself 1, 5 can go into itself 1, 5 can go into itself 1. 5 can go into 24. So t is equal to 4. T is equal to 6, t is equal to 4. To conclude, you would say, therefore, because values of t are not equal, the point P, negative 9, 21 is not on the line. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Cornelius Subinda with another video, and I really thank you for the support. Bye bye.